Hi, this is Ben, and I was given this AKSOUL hammock chair to review. We're gonna get it out, set it up, test it out, and see how we like it. Maximum weight, 265 pounds. Carrying bag does have a shoulder strap and a drawstring. Frame, simple. It does not click in or fasten in, it just slides in. And that's all there is to the setup. It's very quick and easy. So to adjust the back, we just got to pull the straps on each side. So this is fully upright. It's about halfway, and that is fully extended. What's also nice about these straps is they're doubled over at the end, so you're not going to accidentally loosen yourself to the point the strap falls out. There are cup holders on either side, so that's handy. Very sturdy metal frame. The locking mechanism works, is very straightforward. You just push these release buttons. The bottom does have some grips on it, so it's not going to be pressing down into the dirt or the mud. The chair is supported with these rods, some sort of rigid support inside the sides of the chair as well, so that gives it good stability. This is cushioned, and this is cushioned a bit. The headrest cannot be removed, but you can just flip it over the back if you don't want to use it. Just one caution: if you need to move your chair, you don't want to grab it here because these just pop right off, so you need to grab the frame. To put this away, pop the chair off, release the red buttons, lift them up, folds up. So packing it up is just a snap, slide right into the bag. Overall, this is a super nice chair, good quality. I have no worries that this will hold up. Easy to bring along, easy to throw into the car. Hey, I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.